Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, ang inyong kalakwatsa, and another day, another vlog. And for today's video, arat road trip plus staycation tayo with my fur babies. For the chill and for the relax muna tayo guys. Pero bagong lahat, intro muna tayo. So, yun nga guys, like what I've said earlier, tayo mag-road trip at mag-staycation kasama ang aking mga fur baby. So, ayan, pinagmamasdan lang ako ni Artemis dyan. So cute. Wow, sana all cute. Wow, char. So, yun nga, may na-discover kami mga private villas dito sa Mexico, Pampanga. So, medyo malapit lang sa amin, kaya we have decided na bisitahin na to. Good thing, accessible at madali din siyang malocate. Di tulad ng jowa, ang hirap malocate. Ow, char. What I mean is, Wazeable at Googleable naman ang location. Ipin nyo lang ang Olivas Resort and Villas. And we have finally arrived here at Olivas Resort. Siguro it took us 30 to 40 minutes from Angeles, Pampanga. Siguro if you're coming from Manila, it will take you around like 1 hour and 45 minutes to 2 hours. Approximate ko lang naman yun. And we have finally check-in dito sa aming villa. Bali, binok nga pala namin itong family villa where you can have your own private pool na pwedeng mag-chill at mag-relax kasama ng inyong pamilya. Syempre, pwedeng-pwede rin to sa magbabarkada. Bali, itong family villa pala is good for 12 packs. Aside sa kanilang family villas, whether you're traveling in a small or big groups, pwedeng-pwede rin kayo magstay dito sa kanilang mga cabin. Samahan nyo pa ng ganitong kagandang view. O diba, nakaka-chill at nakaka-relax naman talaga. At hindi pa yan, meron din silang mga small villas na for sure very comfortable and of course, very relaxing. At bukod sa mga pool from your private cabins and villas, meron din silang common pool where you can have your activities, sports, at kahit ano pa na super ikaka-enjoy ng bonding nyo with your families and friends. So, paano mga kalakwatsa, hanggang dito na lang muna. If you guys looking for staycation or kahit vacation pa yan, small or big groups man kayo, single or may jowa ka man, uy, sana all may jowa. Plus, pet-friendly nga pala itong resort na to with certain guidelines. Lahat pwede dito. Visit na kayo sa Olivas Resort and Villas. For sure, sobrang mag-enjoy at mare-relax kayo.